So the Galaxy Z Fold 8, although it has a selfie camera, you might want to take better selfies with the main camera of this phone. And to do that, you simply go to open up the phone to use the main screen and then go to the camera. Now in the camera app, you simply want to go to the upper right side and find this icon here. So this icon does that. It says flip your phone around and take selfies with the rear camera. So basically you can use one part of the screen as the viewfinder for your selfies. So as you can see, it shows me and I can hold it like this and take higher quality selfies with the main camera of my Z Fold 8. All right. So that is basically how to take those kinds of photos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.